A very good morning, and I welcome you all for this beautiful tournament, Geno Prudent T20 tournament. Day 4, match number 7 between these two talented teams. Dempo Juniors will take on Devlopers Sports Club. I have with me two dashing captains of the respective teams with two official umpires, umpire Vaman Mahekar and umpire Rajesh Signapurkar. So let us see what we have from this toss ceremony. Considering the nature of the pitch, what is your decision?
I have decided to bat first.
You have decided to bat first, and you'll be posing a good total on the card, and you're comfortable in defending it.
Yeah, we've got a good batting as well as bowling lineup, and this decision was solely dependent on the wicket. Looks like there are a bit of cracks, so it might wear down later on. So that's why we're batting first.
There were a lot of things talked about and a lot of rumors that some exciting players are coming and joining your playing 11. Any changes in the playing 11?
There are two changes in the playing 11. Tunis Saukar is playing and Sufian Alam is playing.
So, Saurav, all set for the game?
Yeah, all set for the game, all excited.
All the best, Saurav. Captain Kadri, a little disappointed with the toss, but it is a part of the game. What matters is how you play on the ground.
No, actually, I'm not disappointed. It's a part of cricket only. Actually, if I was on the toss, I was thinking of batting only. Okay, that now it's a natural. Only one player, only one captain will win the toss. He won the toss. He elected to bat.
Now, since you're up against a good side, Dempo Juniors, the bowler has to really pump up and bowl exact line and length. And the concern was a few drop catches in the previous match. So that area you will be taking care of in this match.
Yeah, of course. Today we brought a keeper also. Which we have done the changes of wicket keeper, which had come today. Okay, we will give best 20 overs first. The changing we will think later on.
All the best for you as well.
Thanks.
So that's the news from here. Dempo Juniors, they have won the toss, and Saurav said they'll be batting first. Samit Aryan Mishra, Vikas Desai and Bharat Arkas. Lakshay Garg on the bowling mark from the pavilion end to begin with the proceedings into the bowling attack. Good looking shot, and look at that timing, perfect, good swing, and the ball coming right out from the middle, the very first ball, and what a way to open an account for himself. Bang she goes. Oh, this is wonderful batting from Dempo Juniors. The very first and second ball was shown to the fence, and the ball is going. Well bowled, slightly away for. Well bowled, a little bit of fumble there. That should have been stopped. The ball races away. That will be a bye and boundary signaled. Oh, nicely flicked. The ball racing away to the deep fine leg. A boundary from the very first and second ball as well. Oh, once again a fumble. This is good looking drive. Once again nice and straight down the ground. The ball coming right out from the middle and going like appeal for caught behind. The cage, the ball finds the gap. The ball is racing away and will run all the way for sure. Giving himself room and playing this time, beating the short field, and the ball racing away. Once again, this is the third error from Vishwajit Fateh. The ball once again will raise 50 up. Giving himself room and beating the short field up. The ball races away. Once again hitting the ball hard, but this time finding a fielder. Beautifully done. A boundary from him now to take the score to So the very first ball of Basuraj Madar, a wicket here. Pitch delivery picked up, but finds the fielder. Could that be a catch? And Chappu takes it. This reminds me of the catch of Shikhar Dhawan. Good looking shot, elevation and the distance right. That's gone many a miles in there and 100 up for Dempo Juniors. In fact, 101 with this outstanding sixer from Keenan Vaz. Bang, she goes. Shuffling across, what a timing! What an innovative shot from Keenan Vaz. Sheer timing and the ball going sailing many a miles. The ball is up in the sky. That's gone a distance 100 meters. Oh, nicely done inside edge. The ball races away to the boundary in the deep fine leg. How can they stop the question mark from Captain Kadri? Flashy shot. There is a fielder. He will not cut it off. The ball will race away to the boundary. The ball will do the running, if not the batsman. Oh, little fumble there from Rajshekhar. The ball went behind the backward of the wicket keeper. Oh, cracking beauty and passing Robin D'Souza like a bullet. Oh, beautifully timed. Lovely piece of timing there from the batsman Keenan. Lofted shot. There is a fielder. Chappu got the safest pair of hands. He takes it. Sufyan Alam is out. 153 for 4. This time it will be a simple catch for Rajshekhar and he grabs it. What a wonderful over this is turning out to be. The captain departs. 157 for 5. Robin strikes. Gets hold of this one. There is a fielder. Will he get it off? He just blocked himself with the hand and taken 2 wickets and just 2 runs to bring an end to this over. 150 and 160 is the target for Albert Devlopers Sports Club to chase in 120 balls. Can they chase the target of 160 against?
Angles, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Angles since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट्स टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाले वयल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Low full toss picked up but finds the field in the covers. Picked up beautifully this time, base the field, the ball will race away, and what a way to come up and open an account for himself with a beautiful boundary. Suraj Dongre timed it and timed it to perfection. Good looking shot, and once again the ball coming right out from the middle. Bang she goes. Flashy shot, but there is a fielder. The ball goes straight to him. Samit Aryan Mishra strikes after 2 consecutive boundaries. A wicket to send Suraj Dongre back to the pavilion. The very first wicket in the very first over. Samit Aryan Mishra strikes. Beautifully picked up, a sheer timing from Rajshekhar, and the ball going racing. Once again a good looking shot. Rajshekhar Harikant goes big this time. Nice and straight, up and over. Oh, the third ball is a wicket. Oh, the ball is up in there, and this is the fear that the captain had. Stay there. He miscued it completely. Aniket Desai out. Samit nicely picked up, beautifully timed. A couple of bounces to the boundary. This is the boundary they were looking for. A much needed boundary coming up here for Albert Devlopers. Oh, paying the price for that loose delivery, Darshan Misala. The very first ball was shown to the boundary in the backward of the wicket keeper. Oh, this is easy hitting against the boundary. Oh, back-to-back boundaries. Lakshyagar's giving that Midas touch. What a beautiful shot, lovely piece of timing. Oh, nicely picked up this time, a good looking shot, and the ball is sailing. One bounce over the rope. Scooped it beautifully. Oh, what an innovative shot from Lakshay Garg. Absolutely beauty. Oh boy, you beauty. Oh, that could have been a catch like a Maxwell, but the ball just going, passing by him. Binga. Oh, this is poor. Miscued it completely, and Malik Saab Shirur giving that need. Well done, absolutely beauty from angle it beautifully once again, a single. Oh, this time the ball kept low and straight. Robin D'Souza has been foxed. Darshan missile. Flashy shot, there is a man, but the ball will take the distance. Into leg side, and little fumble the ball. This time will go away. This will be the bonus runs if it is. It will be wide and boundary. Flashy shot. This time the ball will win the race. The ball will do the running, not the batsman. The captain once again executing that. Good looking shot once again, nice and straight down the ground, and look at that beauty from captain. Well bowled, gets him this time. The bells are down, but he has played his part, the captain, for sure. Oh, the ball will fall in, no man. No, the ball will go right in the hands of the fielder. This is the catch of Amit Yadav. Dempo Juniors are making a comeback. And what a resilience. Good fight back from Dempo Juniors. Good looking shot from Sher Bahadur Yadav. Gets hold of this one. The ball coming right out from the middle and going many a mile. That's huge. It's handsome. It's high. It's gone out of here. It's colossal. It's titanic. It's gigantic. It's monumental. Oh, excellent catch. Look at that beauty from Sufyan Alam. A ripper. The best catch of this tournament was taken inches from the ground. 2 balls and 4 runs still needed. Good looking shot, but there is a fielder will cut it off. He will definitely do. And 1 runs falling short of, and Dempo Juniors are through to the semi-finals. Congratulations. And what a fight back from Albert Devlopers Sports Club. And that's the result of the first exciting breathtaking match.
Angles, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Ribera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Angles since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
G-Wave on GBBN is an initiative of Government of Goa. G-Wave is a 10 GB network offering bandwidth on demand, FTTH leased lines with 24/7 online support. G-Wave have direct links to popular content like Google, YouTube, Netflix, Limelight, Facebook, etc. Attractive plans with special discount and OTC waiver also available. G-Wave serves numerous prestigious events, currently partnered with ISL FC Goa, Serendipity Art Festival and Cricket League matches at GCA grounds at Porvorim. After successful completion of FIFA Under-17 World Cup, IFFI International Film Festival of India, etc., we undertake quality internet services to the prestigious events in Goa including BRICS Summit and BRICS Games. United Telecoms create a content delivery platform with GBBN for content required in the field of e-governance, e-health, education and citizen services. It is an surveillance-capable network. E-health is already running in few hospitals. IP voice and video phone services to government offices are being successfully utilized on GBBN platform. G-Wave is having facility of customer care center in every taluka headquarter for the customer convenience. Also, subscribers can apply online to avail G-Wave services.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांक. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाली वेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Welcome back to the GCA Academy ground here at Porvorim. What a cracking contest we have had here. And Dempo Juniors have sealed their spot in the semi-finals of the Geno Prudent T20 Cup with just a 1-run victory over Albert's Devlopers. Indeed, it was the match of the tournament so far. Dempo Juniors batting first and scoring 159 for 6. At that moment in time, we felt that they were short of around 20 runs. But nevertheless, the later part of the match, Dempo really did well. In fact, they scraped past Alberts because Albert Devlopers were restricted to 158 for 9. So in the end, Dempo winning that match by just 1 run. There were great performances all round and we will come to that a bit later. Let me first welcome in the presentation party. Today we have with us Mr. Prashant Segu, Manager Sales of Timex Group. Welcome to you, sir. We also have with us Vivek Korde, the Managing Director of Times Square. welcome to you. Let's begin by asking the losing captain of the day, Mukhtar Khadri of Albert Developers. If you could come up and have a word with us. Mukhtar, it was an amazing game where the pendulum swung from one end to another. But you thought that it was in your control and you all lost it?
Yeah, it was in our control when 27 ball, 27 runs we won, and for that time 4 wicket was in our hand. That was our match. Then they have Darshan has bowled very well from their side, and Malik Shuru has bowled very well. Still, the man, Sher Bahadur Yadav, he did last ball 6 for the Darshan. From that, again the match has come to us. Then Chappu, he did first ball, backside 4. Then the 5-6 match has come. But Sufyan has changed the game over there. Otherwise, it was a 4 only. Because of Sufyan only, they won the match.
Mukhtar, all the best to your team in future. Now it's time for the winning captain of the day, Saurabh Bandekar, whose team is now in the semi-finals of the Geno Prudent Cup. Saurabh, a very close contest, and we all expected this one to be because the big boys were clashing here.
Yeah, I mean, everyone was expecting this to be a match like this, and I'm happy that we entertained everyone and we lived up to the expectations. They played really well. Hats off to them, the way they batted, the way they started. Hats off to them. They played seriously good cricket there.
Well played, Saurabh, and good luck for the semi-finals now. Now it's time to announce the man of the match. There were really good performances all round. Dempo's Keenan Vaz scored a very nice half century, 58 of 43 balls with 3 boundaries and 2 sixers. Robin D'Souza was good in bowling earlier for Alberts, picking up 3 wickets for just 15 runs. Lakshay Garg had an all-rounder performance. He earlier picked 2 wickets and then he scored 43 runs. Malik Shirur of Dempo really bowled well for his 3 telling blows, and he pegged Alberts back at regular intervals. But the man of the match is Samit Aryan Mishra for his 4 wickets. For giving away just 28 runs, he bowled crucially the final over, and he is the man of the match. We request our guest to hand him over the Timex Shock Watch. Well played, Samit. From the presentation area, we await the next quarterfinal, the virtual quarterfinal of the tournament now, and it's between Nityanand Sports Club and May Union. We'll be back at the GCA Academy ground for live action very soon. Stay tuned.